Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a get ready with me, and this is basically my go-to everyday bronzy makeup look that I've been doing currently. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And also feel free to let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, or if there are any other type of video that you'd like to see from me, because I would definitely like to know. So thank you again for watching, and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start out priming my face with my NYX Angel Veil Primer. Now I'm going to use my foundation by Ulta. This is the Demi Matte Foundation in the color Cool Tan. And I'm going to use my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind for concealer, which it is like empty, so I'm gonna see what I can get out of this. I need to make a trip to the drugstore because I'm like running out of all my drugstore makeup. And now I'm going to set that with two different powders. First I go in with this Milani powder foundation in the shade 3 Natural. And see, I'm out of this as well. I really need to restock on my makeup. And I'll just like tap it in. And then the second powder I use is by Tarte. This is the Smooth Operator Finishing Powder. So I've been using two powders because my skin is just so freaking oily, and I just feel like this kind of helps. So next I'm going to move on to my eyes, but I'm going to start with my eyebrows. So I'm just going to brush them out first. I was just using a eyebrow pencil by Covergirl. It's in the color Soft Brown. Okay, now I'm going to move on to my eyes. So this is the palette I pretty much use daily. It is the Morphe 350 palette. I love this palette, and I don't know why it took me a million years to get this palette, but I got this palette a couple months ago, and I just love it. So I'm just going to use this brown shade right there. I'm going to go ahead and use this gold shade right here. And then I'm going to take this darker shimmery shade right here. So now I'm going to use some liquid eyeliner, the Maybelline Stiletto liner. Okay, and then my favorite mascara, you guys already know, I say this in every single video, it is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I'm making a mess, so I gotta go wash that off. So now I'm going to bronze up my face, and my go-to bronzing palette and highlighting palette is the Maybelline Master Bronze palette. I love this one so much. I use this one every single day. And for the highlight, I love this highlighter so much. It's so gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm going to do my lips, and I am going to use this NYX lip liner in the color Mauve. And I am going to mix two lip plumpers. So the first one is by Buxom, and this is in the color Sabrina, and this one is by e.l.f., and this is in the color Champagne Glam. Alright, so that is it for my makeup. So now I'm going to do something with this hair and I will be right back. And I finished my hair. I just curled it and put my extensions in. So yeah, this is the completed look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is pretty much my makeup look that I've been doing every single day. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!